Hello, everyone. This is Dale Howard, the Director of Education for Progility. It is my pleasure to welcome you to our Progility On Demand webinar series on tips and tricks for using Microsoft Project more effectively. In our first set of tips and tricks, we will show you how to select multiple predecessors for a task using the Predecessors column. In this project, I'd like you to take a look at task number 57, Construction Complete. This is the milestone that signifies the completion of the construction deliverable section in the project. What I would like to do is to link Construction Complete to the 4 milestones that signify the completion of each type of construction in the project. These 4 milestones are task number 35, carpentry complete, task number 43, electrical complete, task 49, plumbing complete, and task number 56, telecommunications complete. If you have Microsoft Project 2016 or 2019, there is a very easy way to select multiple predecessors for a single task. Here's how to do it. If I click in the predecessors cell for the construction complete milestone task, then if I click the Pick List button, Microsoft Project displays a menu. This menu displays every task in the project along with its task ID number, and it also displays a checkbox to the left of each ID number. All I need to do is to select the checkboxes of the tasks that I want to be predecessors to the task construction complete. So all I need to do is select the checkbox for task number 35, carpentry complete. Scroll down, select the checkbox for number 43, electrical complete. Select the checkbox for number 49, plumbing complete. And select the checkbox for number 56, telecommunications complete. There's no OK button to complete the process, so all I need to do is just click anywhere outside of the menu. And if you look in the predecessors cell for task number 57, construction complete, you can see the 4 ID numbers of the milestones I selected. Also, if I scroll the milestone symbol into view, you can see that there are 4 link lines from the 4 milestones that are all linked to the construction complete milestone task. Couple of features to keep in mind. Number 1, the same functionality exists in the successors column. So you can insert the successors column. You'll find a Pick List arrow button in each of the successors cells for the tasks in that column. Secondly, keep in mind that when you select the check boxes for either predecessors or successors, Microsoft Project will always set a finish to start dependency by default. So if you want any other dependency, such as start to start, finish to finish, or start to finish, you then need to edit the dependency according to your needs. In our second set of tips and tricks, we will show you alternate methods for using the lag field when setting a task dependency. In this project, I have 2 scenarios that require the use of lag time with a task dependency. In our first scenario, we need to order some servers. When the servers arrive, we need to set up those servers. Our historical records show that our server vendor normally takes 10 days to ship the servers once the order has been received. So the basic dependency type we need is finish to start plus 10 days of lag time. Here's how to set that dependency. I'll highlight the two tasks and click the Link the Selected Tasks button in the Schedule section of the task ribbon. Now there's what the basic dependency relationship looks like without the lag time. There are a number of ways to actually add lag time to a dependency relationship. Let me show you my favorite. What I like to do is to double-click anywhere on the link line between the tasks. The biggest place to double-click is the arrowhead right at the end of the link line, so that's usually where I double-click. So if I double-click there, Microsoft Project opens the task dependency dialog. And here in the dialog, we find the lag field. And what I can do is enter 10 days of lag. And I'll click OK. And that's what the task dependency relationship looks like now, as finish to start plus 10 days of lag time. However, our server vendor works 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, like a company such as Amazon would do. The 10 days of lag time right now is 10 working days. We need to change the lag time to 10 calendar days. Here's how to do that. Once again, I'll go ahead and double-click anywhere on the link line. To change the lag time from 10 working days to 10 calendar days, instead of 10D, enter 10ED. An ED or E-day is an elapsed day. An elapsed day is a calendar day that ignores non-working time, such as weekends and company holidays. Now, before I click the OK button, watch this Gantt bar move. When I click OK, there. Now we have 10 elapsed days or 10 calendar days as the lag time. In our second scenario, we have the following situation. We need to start painting some rooms. When we're half done, we need to start decorating the rooms where the paint has dried. Did you hear me use the word start twice? That tells us that the basic task dependency type is start to start. So let's begin the process. I've highlighted the two tasks. We'll go ahead and link them. Now I like to click anywhere outside the selected tasks so that double-clicking the link line is a little easier. Right now I have finished to start, so I'm going to double-click the link line, and I'll change the dependency type to start to start. The trick, though, is how do we say half done? Most people know that you can enter lag time as a time unit, such as hours, days, or even weeks. But most people don't know that you can enter lag time as a percentage of the duration of the predecessor task. So, half done is 50%. Now that'll be measured as 50% of the duration of painting rooms. 50% of 5 days will be 2.5 days. That'll give us a lag of 2.5 days. When I click OK, that's what the dependency relationship looks like. Now, at some point prior to the start of painting the rooms, if we find out we have even more rooms to paint than we thought, what we could do is change the duration values to, say, 8 days each. And what happens is the length of the lag time grows proportionately. Now it's 4 days because it's 50% of the duration of the predecessor task. So there's two different ways to enter lag time when you're setting task dependencies. Has this webinar generated interest in our services and solutions? If so, please contact Sarah Howard using the contact information shown on this slide. Also, don't forget to visit our website and our blog page as well. Thanks for watching our on-demand webinar today.